at 18:59:05 made an outgoing call lasting 104 seconds. It's an MOC to the number linked to accused number 1, namely 07937900137. The tower is 2G Freedom Park at NGA.
Lana ke nge-10 zika December 2019 isikhathi u-18:59:05 umzuzu owodwa kushayeke u7 ama-seconds awu5. Inamba yakho egcina ngo-8460 yashayela ke inamba le ehlanganiswa nomsolo woqala eku-07937900137. Isikhathi ke kwakungama-seconds awu104. Itower u2G Freedom Park NGA 1.
I still maintaining that even on your secondary number, you were calling the number of accused number 1 and speaking to Gwabeni.
I'm singing of you. You got me feeling new. Beautiful when you do.
Solo woqala ngenhloso noma ngenjongo yokukhuluma noGwabeni.
Yeah, Nkosi enkantolo.
Yes, my lord, I still maintain that.
Ngiphinde futhi ngikhumbuze lapha phambi kwecourt. Nkosi enkantolo mina ngizobhlungu ngoba le number le bayiphikile amaphoyisa ukuthi ifone yami bayithatha ifone yami lencane le emhlophe white. Bayiphikile usayitsheni imkhana umuntu owangibophayo. Kodwa nathi number umshushisi yakwazi ukuyibiza lapha ecourt.
My lord, I feel hurt or I feel pain in the sense that the police denied this number, or they disputed, my lord, that they took my small cell phone, the likes of Sergeant Mukhanya, the ones who arrested me. Yet the state is reading out this number here in court now when the police denied that they took my phone.
The case ID is 103-1240. Now, when we adjourned on Friday, we were busy with communication on your main number, Exhibit DD5, Roman figure 1. Is Exhibit DD5E, Roman figure 1, the number ending 6890. And we referred to the contact between that number ending 6890 and the person that you saved as Sifiso Zungu under index 140. And we mentioned that you had communication with the person safe as Sifiso Zungu under index 140.
Sikushilo ke ukuthi ke bekunokuxhumana nalo obhalwe la ku 140 uSifiso Zungu 140.
And you then said you want to see the extract of the section 205.
Washo ke ukuthi wena ofisa ke ukubona ke yona ke i205.
mina ngisho njalo
Is that what I requested?
Yes, when we adjourn, but
azangisho lokho phambi
No, I never said
mina
that.
ngathi kodwa ngisayikhumbula inamba leyo uDeka Sifiso Movu noma lo waseNewcastle ngisayikhumbula into engayishayo kodwa zange ngicela ukubona lokho ze
What I said is that I cannot remember whether this is the Sifiso Zungu from or this the Sifiso from Newcastle, but I never requested for an extract.
well, be that as it may, we have an extract of the section 205, exhibit DD 5E, Roman figure 1 for the number 6890, which indicate that your number ending 6890 on the 10th of February 2019 at 17:45 received an incoming call, an MTC lasting 163 seconds from the number that you have saved as Sifiso Zungu under index 140, and that number 0607547895. The tower is 3G Impala Platinum.
Can you see that, please? Thanks. The number yakho egcina ngo6890 ngazo i10 sika December i10 ku February 2019 isikhathi u17:45 yathola ke ucingo olabuya kuyona ke le number oyisaveke ngaphansi kwakhe ke unumber 140 manje ngoSifiso Zungu inumber leyo u060 7547895 i-call leyo ke yathatha ke ama-seconds awu-163 i-tower u-3G Impala Platinum NGA.
yebo ngiyakubona
Yes, I see it.
ingakho ngishilo phambi kodwa inamba la ngisakhumbula ukuthi yena mupho Sifiso
Hence I said before the court that I cannot recall which Sifiso this is.
Now, this person that you've saved under index 140 as Sifiso Zungu has also contact with Mr. Mapisa, accused number 4, on his number 071-395-3801. And the total number of communication between Sifiso Zungu and Mapisa is 15 calls.
15.
Yeah, 15.
Yena ke lo omsave la njengoSifiso Zungu uxhumana ke naye ke noma ube nako ke uxhumana naye umsola wesine uMapisa kwinamba yakhe ke uMapisa futhi ke amahlandla abaxhumana wona amahlandla awu15 ama calls awu15.
mina ngazi
I don't know.
mabefonela futhi ngangengekho la inkulumo yabangibazi
And when they called each other, I wasn't there. I don't know anything about their discussion.
And Sifiso Zungu, your contact under index 140, also has contact with accused number 1, Mr. Sibia, on his number 07937901137, and the total number of communication between them is 4.
Aphinde futhi ke uSifiso Zungu lona ke omsavileke lana ku number 140 abe noxhumana ke naye uSibiya umsola wokuqala kwinamba yakhe u0793790137 amahlandla amane
4 calls between them.
ama calls amane phakathi kwabo.
mina ngazi ngangengekho lapho
I don't know, I wasn't there.
Now, the next communication that we wish to refer you to, it's between your number ending 6890 to a number 0722 06530. This number has been identified as belonging to Mr. Tembinkosi Bokela Ndwandwe.
The middle name again, sorry? The middle name?
Tembinkosi Bokela
Okela.
Ndwandwe.
Siphinde futhi ke sikhulume lana ke ngokuxhumana ke phakathi kwenamba yakho egcina ngo6890 nale number 0722065530. Inamba leyo ke kuthiwa inamba yakhe noma ichazwe nanjenge number kaThembinkosi Bokela Ndwandwe.
Do you know Mr. Tembinkosi Bokela Ndwandwe?
uThembinkosi Bokela Ndwandwe uyamazi?
Hayi mina ngimazi la.
No, I don't know him.
Bukela hayi angimazi.
Bokela? No, I don't know the person.
He used to stay at Marikana and was working for a funeral undertaker on part-time basis in Rustenburg. You say you don't know him.
Wayehlala eRustenburg esebenzela ke noma ke indawo thizeni ke yabangcwabi khona kodwa ke wayengasebenzi ke wangesena ke umuntu osebenza njalo noma ke opermanent lapho.
Hayi makuthi kusho uBhakela Ndwandwe lengimaziwa ngapha ophongolo. Ayakasebenzi leyo nto leyo usebenza imayini iMarikana imayini permanent.
If it is Bhakela Ndwandwe, the one from Ophongolo, and then he did not do that kind of a job, he was working at the mines in Marikana.
Hayi lokho ngifundela khona kulona iqiniso ubhala into wrong lo muntu lakho uyakhohlisa.
What you just read out to me is not correct. The person who wrote something incorrect, is misleading you.
Noma ikhosi enkantolo igama lakhe ngalazi ukuthi uThembinkosi ayithi bani Bukela ngathi uBhakela igama lakhe.
Even although I don't know his name Tembinkosi, but the word that was pronounced Bokela, his name is Bhakela.
So you know a person by the name of Bhakela Ndwandwe?
Wena omaziyo uBhakela Ndwandwe?
Yeah, usebenza imayini permanent namanje ukhona nkosi enkantolo eMarikana.
Yes, my lord, he is working at the mines, permanently employed. Even now he is at the mine in Marikana.
Well, his statement has been filed as A187 in the docket.
Statement anaso ke A1 no 7 kwidokodo lecala.
Hayi mina ngisaze ngiqala ukusizwa ngoba sifundwa namhlanje.
I don't know about it. I'm hearing it for the first time as it is being read out today.
Did you have telephonic contact with Bhakela Ndwandwe?
Ingabe kwakukhona ukuxhumana kwakukhona ngocingo phakathi kwakho noBhakela Ndwandwe?
Ayi noma sengasakhumbula kahle nkosi enkantolo.
Although I can't remember well, my lord.
Ngoba umuntu ebefika nkosi enkantolo iqiniso vele bese umuntu ebefika endlini kaButhelezi. Ngihlala khona.
Because he used to come to Buthelez's house, my lord, where I used to stay.
Well, his number is given as 0722206530.
I missed the other two.
0722
yes.
06530.
Inamba yakhe ke lana ibhalwe ngokuthi ke u0722206530.
Yeah, inamba yakhe ngiyazi ngekhanda. Ina vele uBhakela ngiyamazi mina.
I don't know his number from the top of my head, my lord, but I do know Bhakela.
Ngoba nemoto yakhe bengigibela mangisuka ekhaya ngizeGoli.
Because I also,
Buthelezi.
myself and Buthelezi used to travel in his vehicle from back home coming to Gauteng, my lord.
Mawukuthi ubhuti ushuza kayini ekhaya.
If it was so that shoes did did not go home.
And did you say he also lived at Marikana?
Naye wayehlala eMarikana uBhakela.
Nithi usebenza eMarikana manje usebenza eMarikana.
I am saying he is working in Marikana. As we speak, he is still working in Marikana.
Well, Mr. Bakela Ndwandwe is saved under index number 128 by accused number 3, Mr. Ngube, as per Annexure Exhibit S, Annexure C.
128.
Yes, index one, the third one from the top.
Okay, okay.
No, this one.
Oh, not this one, sorry. Thanks, man. The same one. Yes. Number 128, Lana. So this is number 3, isn't it? Number
Yes.
3.
Yes.
Lana ke kuma ila kusave khona kamagama nenamba kucingo lakhe ke umsolwa wesithathu lana usave nanjengo number 128 kuma contacts kamsolwa wesithathu.
Manje mina lapha eboxini feng phendula into zaMncube noNdwandwe ngingazi ukuthi baxhumana ngani ngoba nangu uMncube usazongena eboxini.
Am I now expected here to respond to contacts between Mncube and Ndwandwe and not knowing as to what it is they were discussing, and Mncube is still going to come and testify?
Now, the reason why we are putting this proposition to you is that Mr. Bakela Ndwandwe is known both to you, Mr. Ngube, accused number 3, as well as Mr. Mapisa, accused number 4.
Isizathu sokuthi ke sikukhombise lokhu noma sikusho lokhu kuwena ingoba umnumzana uNdwandwe waziwa wena, waziwa umsolwa wesithathu uMncube, waziwa umsolwa wesine uMaphisa.
Akwazi ungibuze kodwa uNobhakela uNdwandwe ngiqale nini ukumazi.
You've never asked me before the court as to when I started to know Bakela.
Mina futhi uBhakela kusumngane wami, umngane kaButhelezi. Lokhu umuntu usiza kusumngane umuntu omdala. uBhakela umuntu omdala sikhuluma ngomfana olingana nami.
Bakela is not a friend to me. He's friends with Buthelezi, to Shoes. He's an elderly person. I'm not friends with people that are older than me or to elders.
Well, the extract of your cell phone records for your main number, Exhibit DD 5E Roman figure 1, for the number 6890, indicate that you have had 17 communications between, or your number has had 17 communications
I'm raising the issue on the fact that Bakela Ndwandwe is also in contact with my client, Mr. Mapisa. I haven't heard how. How is that contact?
Hello?
I haven't heard how is that contact between Bakela Ndwandwe and Mr. Mapisa. Thank you. I thought the state was
We
going to
still
clarify that.
We still come into that, my lord.